Hello, I'm Kim Hilong and I'm a summa cum laude from this accountancy and also a worthy of leadership.
Oh, okay. So receiving the leadership award and of course being a summa cum laude. So how did it feel to receive that po?
Actually, it's a literal na blessing years kasi from my very first year here at MBC, I'm student leader na at the same time juggling both my academic and extracurricular activities, you know. But I think naman is it just comes out naturally kasi I love my community, serving the community as well. And yeah, it's just being natural as a student leader. And in my academics naman is I'm a grade bonus basically. So napapagsabay naman. Yes.
Ayun po na. So as a student leader and of course an academic achiever, how do you juggle or like maintaining po both balance? Ganyan.
Actually, it's mahirap. I think it's bearable to have that discipline within you. Kasi when you have the fire within you and napagpagsabay mo yung discipline, it's basically kasi parang natural na nasa iyo na hindi mo na kailangan ng motivation when it comes to doing things. So, yeah, if you're disciplined enough na makapag-manage ng time mo, na resources mo, basically, I think it's possible naman. I think every ambitions is capable of doing with discipline, of course.
Yes. Being that disciplined, Kuya Kim, ano, what's your like biggest plot twist within your academic journey or your leadership journey po?
My biggest plot is first siguro in my academics. Kasi prior to being an accountancy student, is isa po akong class student. So basically, I don't have any idea with so yeah, I entered into sa accounting world kahit hindi ko alam kung ano yung accounting equation na mga ganun. So yeah, and pinasok ko lang kasi sabi niya, nakilala ko na, sige mag-accountancy ka just because magaling ka sa math. And yung plot twist talaga kasi hindi kailangan ng magaling ka sa math sa accountancy. Basically, I think nga, not sure if mag-agree yung other accountancy student, but mas preferably if magaling ka sa English. Kasi yung sa math naman, sa Alvin naman yun. And of course, with a bit, ingredient of analyzation. Ayun.
So, ayan po, no, I think you being a leader as well as being an academic achiever is a big plot twist as well. So, that's really admirable, Kuya Kim, ano. So, personally, I admire you as well. So, ayun po, before we end, I want you to complete this sentence po. Being an ambition means...
Being an ambition means you learn with convenience. Because we know that here in NBC, it's comfortable for students learning both online. Kasi yeah, basically, I pinpoint ko na we do have a hybrid setup. And of course, for our night class and weekend class, online yun din sa kanila. So, you know, convenient para sa amin at the same time sa lahat ng students and of course, siguro sa mga professors din. And, you know, when you have that convenience, you get to manage your time, your resources effectively. So, when you have that advantage within you, it's your greatest asset. And yeah, I think MBC is a great choice if your criteria is both learning with convenience.
And do you have any message po you want to tell to our fellow ambitions and of course to our school?
Siguro masabi ko is to my fellow ambitions is just keep that fire within you. Kasi there's so many instances that along your way you'll get parang ma-demotivate ka or mawalan ka ng passion sa ginagawa mo sa buhay. But yeah, just always remember sa mga mababasa natin ng motivation and I may use it. Yung when naisip mo yon yung mga ganung bagay, just think again kung bakit ka nag-start and for example kung bakit yung pinasa being accountancy student, kung like nag-interest ka man, kahit attorney or kasi maranasan talaga yun. And I'm busy as personally as I'm being super grateful kasi sa binigyan nila opportunity for me as a DCPC scholar as well na wala akong binabayaran kahit may piso. So basically nag-aaral lang talaga ako and yeah, and thank you sa management of course and of course sana marami pa kayong student na matutulungan to achieve their as well as sabi nga nila is brilliant minds deserve a brighter future. So yeah, hopefully more students get that bright future. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Kuya
you so
Kim.
much.